Fenland Crusader here. We do a few shows up and down the country, and this one being the Casterton working weekend. I'm privileged to drive tractors out of the Hinch collection, and this one being the Diesel 75, which is my favourite. The first clip is just general purpose ploughing with a 6-furrow extra track. The second clip is on board driving, so you can see what I can see. I hope you enjoy. Catch up with you again soon. Here we are, and still at Casterton. I like ploughing up this hill, and it's with my RD4 and TS46 bar point on SCN, and it just makes the old tractor bark up here. I like this one a lot.